Oh, cool. Uses AI.
Artificial intelligence, machine
Natural
learning,
language
algorithm
processing,
bias,
robotic
neural
process automation,
networks,
large
deep
language
learning.
model. That was weird. So the term AI or artificial intelligence, it's pretty much everywhere. It's used all the time in movies and in business lingo. And for some people, it can conjure the thought of Terminator or the Matrix. But there are a lot of subsections to AI and elements that are not necessarily AI itself, but are related and associated. So you probably have heard buzzword terms like machine learning or robotic process automation. And really, what I'm going to focus on in this video is the differences between these three terms: artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotic process automation. Now, there's a whole lot more that I could dive into, elements that are baffling in their complexity and really do deserve some additional exploration. But I can't put them into a convenient analogy. And you get what the deal is with this whole thing. I got to be able to put it into an analogy. So I'm sticking with those three. So to start with, let's imagine that you manage a kitchen, like a restaurant kitchen. And inside of this kitchen, you have a super efficient kitchen assistant. This would be the equivalent of robotic process automation, or RPA, because this individual is very good at following a set of predefined recipes and rules. They follow steps that are necessary to prepare specific dishes. They're great at these repetitive, rule-based tasks. They are able to ensure consistency in chopping up the business onions, uh, and they're very quick at executing on those recipes. However, this particular chef doesn't learn or adapt. They merely follow instructions as they have been given to them, but they're great at following those specific instructions. Now, machine learning, on the other hand, would be like having a kitchen that's equipped with a skilled chef who not only follows recipes, but is also able to learn and evolve over time. So this chef, machine learning, can analyze the preferences of the diners in the restaurant. They can experiment with ingredients of their recipe and continuously work to improve the recipes that they follow. Machine learning allows systems to learn from data, identify patterns, and make informed decisions without explicit programming. They're able to gauge the feedback, what's being sold as frequently, how are things moving within the confines of the recipes that they prepare. Now, artificial intelligence would be like having a top tier executive chef. We're talking Michelin star chef, because this chef not only follows recipes and learns from experience like you would in machine learning, but they have the ability to create entirely new recipes. They can innovate cooking techniques and even predict future food trends. AI encompasses a much broader range of capabilities, including reasoning, problem solving, decision making, going far beyond the predefined tasks of RPA and the learning capabilities of machine learning. So, in summary, RPA is your efficient kitchen assistant. Your machine learning would be your evolving and learning chef. And AI is your visionary executive chef who's capable of creating, innovating, making complex decisions in the culinary world of technology. They each have their place. And depending on the level of sophistication and adaptability that you need in your kitchen, or in this case, your business processes, one of those elements may be suitable. In fact, several of those elements may be suitable. But at least now you know the difference. And that although they are used interchangeably, those terms are often meant to represent each other, there are distinct differences between them.